These 4 job sites are begging for remote workers. I hit submit 212 times on Indeed last month and got 3 auto rejections and 1 email asking if I'd like to sell life insurance. If that sounds like your life, stick around, because I'm about to hand you 4 little job boards that are so hungry for applicants, they'll email you back within 24 hours. No spam, no insurance pitch. Scrolling the big 3 boards feels productive, but it's basically folding paper airplanes and tossing them into a jet engine. Meanwhile, tiny niche sites are sitting on the sidelines like the last kids in gym class, desperate for players. I've road tested dozens with my coaching clients, and 4 keep popping up as reply rate heaven. They're small, quiet, and right now, they need you more than you need them. Section 1, Jobacy. Picture your favorite corner coffee shop, cozy, calm, and nobody's fighting for a seat. It lists verified remote roles in marketing, support, dev, even finance, but hasn't hit mainstream traffic yet, so your odds stay stupidly good. One client applied to 3 customer success gigs last week, 2 hiring managers answered the same day, and she starts Monday. True story. Jobacy also sells a spotlight upgrade for a few bucks that shoves your resume to the top of the pile. With more jobs than job seekers right now, that $5 trick feels like cheating. Filter trick. Select anywhere in the world, not just your home country. Half the listings are global, but only US time zone folks show up in narrow searches. Competition melts overnight. Section 2, just remote. For $6, you unlock Power Search, a backdoor feed of roles companies never post publicly. That's cheaper than the latte you're probably sipping. I bought Access, typed product designer, and found 37 listings posted that day with under 15 applicants each. On LinkedIn, a single Google UX role gets 2,300 applicants. Do the math. Just Remote covers dev, HR, sales, you name it. And because employers pay to list, spam jobs barely exist. Quick hack. Sort by recently added, send a 45-second loom instead of a cover letter, and watch replies triple. Recruiters there told me they open video intros 87% of the time. Hardly anyone bothers, so you stand out by breathing. Section 3, if you could. A curated UK-based board for creatives who care about ethics. It lists fully remote gigs for Patagonia, not on the high street, and tiny climate tech startups. Because every post is handpicked, the site updates only twice a week. Traffic stays low, quality stays sky high. You're not elbow to elbow with every art school grad on earth. One of my students landed a part-time illustration contract. 3 months later, it turned full-time. She was applicant number 11 out of 12. Drop your portfolio link in the message box even if they don't ask. Hiring managers there expect proactive creatives. Bonus, follow their Twitter. They tweet jobs going live in 5 minutes alerts, so you can pounce while the newsletter crowd is still asleep. Section 4, words of mouth. A newsletter run by one human, Erica, who spotlights creative jobs for underrepresented folks. It runs on donations, reads like a friend texting you gigs, and has about 8,000 subscribers. We work remotely, has 3 million monthly visits, so your odds explode. Every issue contains roughly 15 roles, most remote, and Erica lists salary bands up front so you don't waste a heartbeat. Last Thursday, she featured a fully remote UX writing role at a fintech startup. Only 9 people clicked apply, and the hiring manager DM'd me begging for more candidates, literally begging. Subscribe free, set a Gmail filter for words of mouth, and reply within an hour. Speed plus tiny applicant pools equals offers. My record holder got hired in 4 days. If you want more backdoor job hacks like these, hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's video on 5 companies that hire remote workers in 24 hours. No tech test, no 3-round circus. Drop the word begging in the comments so I know you're here for the good stuff. Conclusion. Stop buying lottery tickets on the mega boards. Jobacy, Just Remote, If You Could, and Words of Mouth are the quiet cafes where hiring managers actually look up when you walk in. Pick 2, turn on alerts, and send 3 tailored applications on each this week. Do that, and your inbox will feel a lot friendlier by Friday. Thanks for watching, like if you learned a new site, and I'll catch you in the next one where we turn those interviews into offers.